Now for this one, so ang previous example is open stirrups. This example is a close one. So ang nakalain lang gyud ang before og karon is kung kato is isa lang ka width and then duha ka height, karon anay additional nga width. That is just the additional step for this one kay naka-close man siya nga stirrups. Now if you're going to calculate this one, um diretso na nato if you're going to use 9 meters nga long bar for this specific nga example, kinahanglan ka og 36 pieces nga. Ang iya lang po diri no, by the way, take note, 12 mm. So, yung ginatan-awon pilang bar diameter, and then, lahi mo gud siya no, katong siyang bending diri, hook and bend, di ba? So, for this one, 36 pieces, 12 millimeter diameter by 9 meter long bars ang required. And actually, the ties line for this one, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, overall, we need 5 kilograms of the number 16 nga GI wire for this specific example. You make sure you check it yourself, and if you get it right, then that's good. And if nasipyat, you may reach out to me right away.